friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming through. If you are new to my channel, my name is Naka Friedel, aka Naka F, and even if this is not your first time, I'd like to welcome everyone to my channel. So as you can tell from the title of the video, I am going to be unboxing as well as using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood eyeshadow palette. So this is the box it comes in, a very dark blue, a dark cobalt blue, and then when you open it, it comes in a baby blue. I want to call it baby blue, blah, 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 blah. Baby blue or robin eggs blue. Yes, I was very good at Crayola crayons. And more of like a coffin-like box. Let's do it together. Or not. Okay, there we go. All right. And these are our shades. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 18. Yeah. All right. So there are 18 shades in this eyeshadow palette. I will say that I've had this eyeshadow palette for a pretty long time. Have not had a chance to actually do an unboxing and be able to use it for the first time due to some things that have been going on. And I will do, I don't want to call it a story time, but I'll definitely do a video and let you guys know what has been going on and why I haven't really had a chance to do at least one upload a week. For anybody who doesn't know, I love blue eyeshadow, so that's why I was very much drawn to this eyeshadow palette. The only thing for me is, for my skin tone, I don't see a good transition shade. I think that if I was of a lighter skin tone, this might be a decent transition shade, which is this like very light, dark beige shade, which is Celebrity Skin. I don't know if I like that it's called Celebrity Skin, as if Celebrity Skin is only the shade, but I don't know. But yeah, so I definitely want to use this eyeshadow palette, see how it works. Comes with a very big mirror, as you can see. And I believe it retails for $52. So I'm going to speed through the whole putting my makeup on, and then we can come back and work with the palette. So I'll be right back. But I did want to try this Celebrity Skin on camera to see if it shows up as a transition shade. So let's see if it does. I'm using a Morphe brush from the iCredible set. We're going to dip into Celebrity Skin like that. Let's see if it makes for... I mean, it shows up. It's not really a transition shade. It's light. Okay, makes for a good base. So this is a look that I came up with. I do wish the Blue Monday was a little bit brighter. I even wet my brush. That's what I put on the lower lash line. But it does look good in person. I just don't feel like it's gonna be picked up on the actual video. Yeah, I do wish it was brighter because it's like the brightest shade in the palette. But yeah, it didn't like come off as bright as I would have loved it to. But I like this look a lot. So let me show you how I got it. So my transition shade here is Cremated, which is this shade right here. And I did a lot of blending. And now we're going to go in with my finger, and I just want to show you the pigment of this shade. It's so good. And this shade is called Flourishing, and it's just like really bright turquoise shade. I'm going to use my finger. I tried to use a brush and it was very, very patchy. So I think using my finger is the best way to go. So I'm gonna put my finger in that. Do you see that? That is so good, so good. So I'm gonna just apply that to my lid. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Cremated, which is just really probably one of the darkest, if not the darkest shade. It actually is the darkest shade of the palette. I would have to say this, I mean, blue eyeshadows in general have lots and lots of fallout, but this gave me a load of fallout. I swear I have two different eye shapes, so it's always really hard to get this together. But I went ahead and took a little brush, went into the white shade, which is, it's like a white metallic shade, which is Cullinan. It's right here. Make sure you guys can see it. And I put that right in the tear duct area. All right, and then I went ahead and took the white shade and added that right under my brow. All right, and then I went ahead and did my eyelashes. So I am just going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Flyliner in Cause I'm Black. That is the name of it, right? And I just drew a very thin line. All right, so now let's get to Blue Monday, which we're going to be adding to our lower lash line, and that's the shade right here. All right, then we're gonna go back into the white shade Cullinan, and we're just gonna apply that to the inner lower lash line, just to connect the two. I'm going to actually go in with Fenty Beauty How Many Carats. All right, I don't know, this is probably foundation or something in there, but we're gonna go in with that. It's actually a lot of glitter, and that's not what I was looking for, so I'm going to not use this anymore. So I'm gonna go in with Cocoa Bling from Artist Couture very lightly. Just add that highlight that I am looking for. And for the gloss today, we're gonna go in with Fenty Beauty, the Gloss Bomb in the Diamond Milk shade. I'm gonna have to say, out of all three shades of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, I have to say Diamond Milk is my favorite. Despite what's going on in the media about Jeffree Star, and you know, I am not gonna talk about that. Not that I'm not aware of things that have been said, mainly things that have been said, but I do always have to remember that people grow, and I think it's an issue where I feel like we cancel people or cancel things, cancel people mainly, cancel culture in general. We forget that people can grow and change. I don't know Jeffree Star. I know of his products. I know of the quality of the products. This is the final look for the, I was about to say blood sugar, for the Blue Blood eyeshadow palette. I've gotten a little bit dirty thus far. But yeah, that's normal usage. Usage, okay. I really love these colors, and if you haven't already grabbed it, if it is still in stock, I wouldn't be able to confirm that right at this very moment. But if it is still in stock, I would totally recommend that you get it if you do love blue eyeshadow. If you're not a big fan of blue eyeshadow, I would not recommend it. It wouldn't be worth it if you aren't big on blue eyeshadow. So that is the best that I can say about that. But other than that, I really love it. I really love blue eyeshadow, so I will be using it a lot more. So do not forget, if you like this video, to thumbs it up and to subscribe to my channel, because I will be coming with more soon. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.